The electrical box kit includes a variety of gang boxes and some electrical devices. The electrical boxes feature a screw hole designed for grounding metal faceplates. The faceplates that come with the kit are relatively easy to install, although installing the plates in multi-gang electrical boxes could be a challenge. The provided kit also included a hat and a tool bag. One positive aspect of the electrical boxes is the presence of a grounding screw hole for metal faceplates. Another positive aspect is that the faceplates are generally easy to install. One of the disadvantages of the electrical boxes is that the screw blocks need to be installed separately. Another negative aspect is that the installer has to remove a piece of plastic in order to remove a receptacle tab. Thirdly, the electrical boxes do not feature a quick clip for trimming out the wires. The reviewer expresses skepticism about the claim that using this kit is 3 times faster than using traditional electrical boxes, having to install the screw blocks separately as an extra step. The reviewer notes the absence of a screw retainer. The need to remove a piece of plastic to remove a receptacle tab and a lack of a quick clip for trimming out are also seen as disadvantages. The only aspect that seems potentially faster is the faceplate installation without screws. The reviewer is waiting to see if the cost savings associated with using the kit are significant enough to justify switching from traditional electrical boxes. The reviewer replaced a receptacle in their workshop with one from the kit.